10 signs of high blood sugar. The medical word for excessive blood sugar or glucose levels is hyperglycemia. Those who have diabetes have this issue. As of 2018, the CDC says that more than 34 million Americans have high blood sugar problems. The insulin resistance problem is type 2 diabetes, whereas the pancreas not making enough insulin causes type 1 diabetes. The CDC reports that 21% of people who have diabetes are unaware. CDC also said that prediabetes patients' sugar levels are higher than average but not large enough to become diabetic. The disease affects approximately 88 million Americans, or more than 1 in 3 adults. Here are 10 signs of high blood sugar to be aware of. Excessive urination. Frequent urination could be a sign of high blood sugar. Your kidneys will try to pump out and get rid of excess sugar from your blood. When someone urinate, they also expel water and sugar, therefore you will find yourself in need of more frequent bathroom breaks. Fatigue. Doctors suggest that fatigue can be accounted as primary initial symptom of diabetes. People who don't have diabetes or prediabetes but eat a lot of simple carbohydrates, like sugar, can feel this effect, though it's not as strong. Headaches. Headaches are one of the symptoms of being dehydrated. Although various factors can cause headaches, frequent headaches or headaches that occur alongside other symptoms should prompt a visit to the doctor. Dehydration can also amplify tiredness and headaches. Thirst. More frequent urination has this impact because it causes dehydration. It seems that constant thirst has become a common complaint among humans. According to the Mayo Clinic, dehydration develops into a vicious cycle. The more you urinate, the thirstier you become, and the more you consume, then the more you will urinate. Foggy vision. The Cleveland Clinic reports that high blood sugar can have unanticipated consequences for the eyes. In essence, the lens in the center of the eye becomes caught with excess sugar, resulting in blurred vision. This issue is usually not a permanent one. Vomiting, nausea, and anxiety. Diabetic ketoacidosis, DKA, is a severe condition marked by a wide range of symptoms that may or may not be related to each other. In addition to the signs mentioned earlier, diabetic ketoacidosis, DKA, may also bring nausea, vomiting, breathing issues, skin that might be dry or flushed, breath smelled mostly like fruits, also difficulties in focusing. US data shows that it is more common in individuals with type 1 diabetes and can be the first indicator of illness. On rare occasions, people with type 2 diabetes may experience a milder form of DKA. Healing becomes slow. High blood sugar affects the circulatory system as it decreases blood flow and makes it harder for the body to heal wounds. The Mayo Clinic says that if wounds are taking a longer time to heal, especially in the feet region, then this could be one of the primary signs of poor blood flow. Secondary infections. It is reported by CDC that persistent hyperglycemia can damage the body's immune system. If your immune system is weakened, you may get sick more often, or stay sick longer. In particular, diabetic vaginal yeast infections are common. The bacteria, which can trigger these illnesses, are fed partly by the excess sugar released through the urine when blood sugar levels are high. The CDC has found that people with diabetes are more likely to get urinary tract infections, UTIs. Dental issues. Both your blood and saliva contain glucose. Numerous pathogenic bacteria usually start growing in oral cavity, and with time particles of food combine with them forming plaque. Dental problems like cavities, gingivitis, gum disease, and foul breath are the results. One of the initial symptoms to watch out for is red, swollen, sensitive, and bleeding gums. Stinging hands and feet. Hyperglycemia has a long-term effect on nerve function and can cause neuropathy, which is permanent nerve damage. Peripheral neuropathy, which affects the limbs, is the most typical condition. According to the Mayo Clinic, you may experience stinging, numbness of digits, along with burning sensations in joints and extremities of your body. High blood sugar from diabetes or prediabetes can create similar symptoms, so consulting your doctor is an excellent first step. Are you noticing any of these 10 signs of high blood sugar? Thank you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and see more of our other interesting videos.